Are you tired of spending countless hours at the gym trying to build muscle and burn fat? Do you wish there was an easier way to achieve your body goals without the need for intense exercise and strict diets? Well, look no further, because we have the perfect solution for you: the 14 Tesla DLS-EMSLIM machine Hiemt Neo-Nova EMS stimulation pads. This cutting-edge technology uses electromagnetic field output to safely generate the same frequency resonance with muscle neurons, triggering supramuscular contraction and increasing muscle mass. With 5 optional handles, 4 RF handles, and a pelvic stimulation pad, this machine can effectively build muscle and burn fat without any invasive procedures or side effects. Not only is the Emszero Neo RF Balance machine powerful, but it is also non-invasive, painless, and portable, making it the perfect solution for anyone looking to transform their body without the hassle of traditional methods. In just 30 minutes of treatment, you can achieve the equivalent of 20,000 muscle exercises, making it the ideal investment for your body and overall well-being. With a 1-year warranty, lifetime maintenance, and consultation services, you can rest assured that you are making a smart investment in your health. Our overseas warehouses in the United States, Russia, and Europe ensure fast delivery, so you can start seeing results in as little as 3-10 days. Don't miss out on this revolutionary technology that has been featured on CCTV4 and recommended by leading beauty professionals. Click the link below to purchase your own Emszero Neo RF Balance machine and start your journey to a healthier, fitter you today.